Hi guys, let's talk about Ayala Land. What's happening to the stock? What's going on? Is it gonna hold or is the stock gonna drop? Check this out. Hey guys, this is Marvin Germo. I'm now here in Singapore for Stock Smarts, for our series, for our talk on fundamentals and technical analysis. So, I got a lot of questions also for Ayala Land. Please remember that Ayala Land is still a fundamentally sound company. It's still growing. Though over the past few months, it has also been subjected to a lot of battering by the market. You have to remember this, that Ali along with AC, SMPH, SM, BDO has a large chunk or a large influence in the index, that how they move influences the index. If they don't do so well, the index also gets plummeted down. If they do better, as what has happened over the past few days, the index also will move and grow as a whole. So, but here's the thing, let's look at it from a technical point of view, because you know me, the way I trade, the way I do things is all about what the chart is dictating. So first and foremost, if you are an investor, again, the cheaper you want to buy it, the better. And over the past few weeks, the cheapest Ali has been is around 38 pesos per share, somewhere around that 37, 38 pesos per share. And the narrative there is this, even because Ayala Land is growing so fast, at 37, 38, it's at its historical valuationary low, or historically speaking, its valuations is low as of that point in time, and it's considered via fundamental valuations to be cheap. Not that it's the lowest price that it has ever been. More than 2 years ago, Ali hit around 27, and that was an amazing place to come in. But because they're growing so fast, as they hit 36, 37, 38, you have more people wallowing up the shares of Ayala Land. So from an investment point of view, as close as you can to 36, 37, 38, Ayala Land is already attractive at that point in time from a fundamental and valuation point of view. But if it goes even lower from an investment point of view, Ali would be a good buy as well. Now, let's look at it from two perspectives from trading. Number one, from a position trading point of view, and number two, from a quick trading point of view. So at least you have different aspects on how it could actually be analyzed as well. Okay, first things first, let's look at it from a quick trading point of view. There was a resistance that it broke out from around the 41.2 level, but what's good about it is it's holding above the 200-day moving average. So here's the narrative for Ali at this juncture. The way I would analyze it is this: if it stays above 41, so 41.2, the breakout is still pretty much intact. If it continues its weakness but stays above the 40 peso level, meaning above the 200-day moving average, we could still see it, and it still has a narrative and a possibility to still go up for at least a foreseeable short to mid term. However, if it drops below 40.4 or even below the 200-day moving average, you can expect and you can peg that the stock could go below again to around 38 or the 37 level, because it failed to hold that specific price range. So if you bought from 37 and it does not hold the 40 level or even the 200-day moving average, it could be a signal already for you to take profits and to start selling the stock. Now, from a position trading point of view though, if you look at it, I drew a resistance here that it must break out around 43 to at least break this strong resistance level. However, it's already above the 200-day moving average, which is a very, very strong breakout level for me. One thing that you must consider now is this: if it stays above the 200-day moving average and you are a position trader, I think in my opinion it's already good based on our technical analysis principles to start buying, but you can't really expect it that it could possibly fully reverse and go higher if it breaks, unless it breaks out of 43. So ngayon, if it stays above the 200-day, you are a position trader, buy, and expect that if it breaks out from this resistance level, this downtrend level, it has the possibility to actually reverse and move higher later on. So Ayala Land's in a key juncture right now. It must break past and stay above the 200-day moving average for it to have a shot of at least moving higher. MACD though is more confirmatory also, meaning it's showing you that there's a change in direction upward, plus it's confirming whatever trend that you're seeing. So compared to where we were before, Ayala Land is in a more, I guess, buyer-friendly market than where it was a few weeks ago. It's more bullish now. It's just that we really haven't seen strong buying conviction come out yet. So will it be a trigger on interest rates that will cause it to go up? Will it be better corporate earnings? Not that they're not doing anything good right now. They are making good amounts of money when everyone else are just doing average or doing not so good. So for me, that's how you break it down. You have to break it from a perspective of you are an investor, position trader, or quick trader, and then you make your trades from there. Because at the end of the day, you cannot copy someone else's trade. You need to make it, and you need to base it based on your own analysis, based on what you know, based on your own understanding, and based on what triggers you to buy and to win the markets based on your own analysis. Because at the end of the day, the strength of you winning is by you making the decisions on your own. No one can make the trade for you, because no one will take care of your finances more than you do. And that's what I want you to be. I want you to be financially free, and that's what I want to see more and more and more Filipinos to see, that you can grab a hold of your finances, that you can win, that it's time that you and your family reach your goals of financial freedom. So that's it. That may be a stock analysis of Ayala Land, but I hope that it relates, that it pushes you, it nudges you to analyze and learn to earn more and more and more and more. So I'm excited because tomorrow we're starting Stock Smart Singapore. Basics will be tomorrow, fundamentals 1 and 2 will be Thursday, Friday, then technical analysis will be on Saturday. So that's it for now. Marvin Germo in Singapore. I hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, guys. God bless you.